Hello everyone, if you've been following my channel you'll know that I recently shared how I fitted a Dunelm stair runner on our winder stairs. I really wanted to tackle the upstairs landing next on a small budget. I wanted to replace the yellow carpet to match the stairs, do something about the loft ladder and also sort out the laundry arrangements. I recently shared a video on how we fitted a loft ladder that I can now pull down from the loft, which I will share in the description box below. To tackle the landing floor, I measured the floor space and I went to Dunelm to buy a rug which would cover the whole area. I will link to the rug that I chose in the description box below, and it does match the stair runner. I pulled up the yellow carpet and the carpet grippers, but I left the underlay in place as it was in good condition and good enough to reuse. I didn't want to use the carpet grippers because they were too long and they would actually protrude through the rug. I laid out the carpet outside and used it as a template, allowing a couple of centimetres extra all around so I could tuck in the edges neatly. I set out the carpet, ensuring it was in the right place and centralised, and I also wanted to make sure that the pattern on it was all straight. I just thought that if I got that slightly wrong, then that would be endlessly annoying when I went and looked at the carpet. I started with the top of the stairs using my nail gun to fix it in place under the ball nose using staples. Then it was just a case of going around the perimeter, pulling the carpet as tightly as I could as I went. I used a scraper or a bolster to tuck the edges under itself, and then I nailed it down using small nails in my nail gun. Thankfully the nails are barely noticeable. It was quite tricky to get it neat around the door frame, so if you are attempting this DIY, then take your time. It was enjoyable doing this long stretch along the banister rail, stretching it, pulling, tucking and nailing it down. I decided to create my own transition strips, so I stained some hardwood strips and then cut them to size. I first fixed a thin strip of wood in the gap with grab adhesive and left it to dry. I then used some more grab adhesive to glue down the wooden strips. Here is a shot of the stairs with the stair runner that I fitted. Now when I go upstairs, there's the same jute flooring. I also made a new laundry station from wood offcuts and some tongue and groove panelling just to keep everything tidy. This project was so satisfying, and it only cost me the price of the rug, which was just over £100 in the sale. I really love it and it's finished off the landing really nicely. Thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, then I'd love for you to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!